everybody. This is Dr. Ivan Meisner with BusinessNetworking.com. I have here with me my friend Lee Abraham. Lee is my co-author in our new book, Money on the Table, which is all about power teams and contact spheres. So tell them a little bit about the book, Lee.
Be happy to. We wrote this book to help people generate more referrals for their networking partners.
The clip you just saw was recorded at the BNI National Conference in Providence, Rhode Island in May of 2011. Dr. Meisner and I had just released Money on the Table, Referrals in the Bank. And since that time, the networking tools and systems from Money on the Table have transformed the way power team networking is being done around the world. It's my absolute pleasure to introduce the launch of Power Team Certified, the 16-lesson plan training system implementing the tools and systems from Money on the Table. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you're a business person, and whether you're a photographer, a massage therapist, real estate agent, or in any other type of business, you want more customers, more success, and ultimately more happiness. Whether you're an established business or just starting out, everyone in business wants more referrals. Now you can learn the secrets of power team networking that we uncovered while researching Money on the Table. Every business person I know is looking for an ongoing stream of new clients, a larger marketing and sales team. And who wouldn't like to double sales in less than 12 months, particularly if there's no payroll and no commission paid? Clearly, the business person's wish is not to leave any of their money on the table. If you're a BNI member, you're looking for more referrals, more networking partners, and an easy-to-follow power team system. And finally, from the perspective of a BNI National Director, as well as executive and regional directors, your wish list includes more new members, higher retention, and bigger BNI chapters. The goal is to attract higher quality members committed to succeeding using the BNI system. As a director, you're always interested in leveraging your time and patching the leaky bucket of knowledge with an easy-to-duplicate power team training system. The solution, not by creating something new, not by branching out into new products or services, and not by working longer hours. Clearly, not by spending more money on marketing. The solution is power teams. So let's take a lesson from Mother Nature, particularly the V formation of a flock of geese. A flock of geese flying in the V formation can fly 67% further and expend much less energy than one bird flying on their own. Each bird leverages the updraft from the bird in front, conserving massive amounts of energy on the journey. So let's take another lesson from Mother Nature and look at flying randomly, out of formation, and alone. We've found that power teams are the secret V formation of referrals. Power teams give power team partners 67% of their referrals, and they create more and higher quality referrals. The tools and systems from Money on the Table are now in the form of Power Team Certified, an easy-to-follow, step-by-step training system to help you implement all of the tools and processes that can generate an ongoing stream of Power Team referrals. If you're a business person looking for an ongoing stream of new business, watch the Power Team Certified for Business video and learn how to transform your Money on the Table into referrals in the bank. Are you a BNI member looking for more referrals? Then watch the Power Team Certified for BNI video. And finally, for BNI National Directors, Executive and Regional Directors who are looking to grow your BNI region, watch the Power Team Certified for BNI Directors video and you too will learn how to transform your money on the table into referrals in the bank. So where do you go from here? It's our intention for you that the only money you leave on the table is a generous tip for excellent service. For more information, please visit the website moneyonthetablebook.com for more tools and resources. I'd like to thank you for your attention and wish you all the very best in your referral networking. Thanks again.